In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a user in Confluence. Whether you're managing team members, cleaning up your user list, or addressing changes in your organization, knowing how to efficiently remove a user from your Confluence setup is essential. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start from your Confluence homepage. This is your central hub, where all your admin tools and project spaces are accessible. Once you're there, keep your eyes on the top right corner of the screen. You'll find an icon that looks like a little gear. This is your settings menu, and it holds the key to all administrative controls within Confluence. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will bring up a menu where you have an option called User Management. Click on it. This is where you'll have access to all users currently associated with your Confluence instance. It's a great place to manage permissions, add users, or, as we're focusing on today, remove users. Now that you're inside the user management area, you will see a list of all the users. Browse through this list until you find the user that you intend to remove. Once you've located the right person, take a closer look. Next to their name, you'll spot 3 dots forming a vertical ellipsis. This is a menu that gives you more actions you can perform on this user. Click on that 3-dot menu. A drop-down will appear with several options. One of these options should be Remove User. Select that option. This action ensures you're not just removing the user temporarily or hiding them, you're permanently removing their access. At this stage, Confluence requires one last step to confirm your decision, which is very useful to prevent accidental removals. A pop-up will appear, giving you a final prompt asking you to confirm the removal of this user. It's a good moment to double-check your choice to ensure that you have selected the correct user and truly intend to proceed with this action. If you're sure about removing the user, go ahead and click Remove User on the pop-up. This will finalize the process, eliminating the user's access to your Confluence system. Keep in mind that once you confirm, the user will no longer have any permissions or visibility within your Confluence setup, so it's always worth doing a quick review of your actions before making that final click. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a user from Confluence. This process makes maintaining a neat and organized workspace that much easier, ensuring that only the necessary team members have access to important information. As always, remember to log any necessary changes you've made for future reference or auditing purposes. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.